I used to burn rosaries and said I'm not supposed to be. Parents were opposing me, behavior wasn't closing me. Couldn't talk a word without rhyming it accordingly. Come on, Spanish word is owning me. Poetry was close to me, lived in the world of color, so my world was either false or see. Living metaphorically, paper was the space and the pen gave birth to galaxies. Come on, they don't get it, I'm in it, I'm flipping. Trapped in the stomach of this music chick. Headphone fitted cries and they hit it kicks. As I'm trapped in the placenta, rather be a premature baby. Industry one's perfect, but even imperfection is imperfect. So perfectly give birth to preservance. Elegance injected with DNA of alphabetic memories and poison from a serpent. My stained words could open doors and close them shut. I close more than what I really open up. I'm in the hood with big dreams and load of guts, where fiends scream for more drugs than hunger does. Our black clouds are made from the smoke of guns. Young kids live welfare and blunts to blunts. I guess we crazy cause we settle for the settlements of being less than everyone and not having the regulars.
I am in the world you don't understand. Might think I'm crazy. I am in the world you don't understand.
Cursed earth when I was born, the skies of thunder, the predicted rap apocalypse, resurrection of the early great, reincarnated to a body of a kid with faith. Pac was the first to harm me, giving aggression and poetry's the words I say. Come on, I was stuck and inflamed. Lord, please come help me, as this great rapper done chase me and invade me. Even though it wasn't you, you can feel the grief freezing, being scared as you cry and your body says no. You gotta find a way to react, cause I won't let your soul die. Baby, please don't cry. Pun chased me savagely, haunted for a masterpiece who really was an actor. See what is really happening, conscious really asking me. Ran into the middle of Little Italy, little did he know he transformed a rap poet that didn't know literally. Even Nas on me, and he hasn't even died yet. I guess my days are longer, nights are colder, feel like life is over. I'm living days far from a casket. I ask myself what I'm supposed to be, a rap flop or a prophecy. Don't got shit to prove my greatness but my words, cause I'm not even signed, so hip hop give birth to me and let them hear me.